Let's welcome the Vice President of Mega World International, Miss Ethel Lim. She is the multi-awarded first Vice President of Mega World International and the Director of Prime Global Brand UK Ltd. Stands as a distinguished figure in the world of sales and real estate. Prime Global Brand UK Ltd is the exclusive marketing arm of Mega World Corporation and its subsidiaries in the UK and Europe. Notably, she is the only individual in the Mega World International to be awarded the Hall of Fame Award. Her exceptional leadership has earned her the title of Top Territory Head for 12 years, with 2024 marking her latest recognition in this role. Her relentless commitment and visionary approach continue to drive success and innovation within the organization. Her illustrious career is a statement to her unwavering dedication and exceptional skills and passion for excellence. She remains an inspiration to many in the field of sales and real estate, continuously setting new benchmarks for success. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ethel Lim.
300 euro down payment and you can already move in. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng move in? Hindi na yata. Okay lang ba? Narinig niyo? Okay. So the 2,300 move in is lipat agad. Pero bago kayo lumipat, please understand ano muna yung mga kailangan nyo malaman or why are you buying properties? Kasi ang iniiwasan natin dito, you are buying, tas later on, nag-back out kayo. Have you heard about it? Diba? Bumibili, mag-back out. Bibili, mag-back out. Kasi hindi alam yung process ng pagbili. Hindi pa na makakomply sa mga requirements. Sige, konti pa. Pagka nagulo pa yung ano na yan, bibili na kayong lahat. Lumimalan na? Okay, sige. So anyway, sabi nga natin, di ba, you have to know the developer bago kayo bumili. So later on, I'll be discussing sino ba yung developer behind this one. Sino ba yung nagpapapromo ng lipat agad? Bakit ka binibigyan ng opportunity ng developer na to? Sino ba siya? Okay? So next is, what are the different documents that you have to submit? Kasi if without these documents, hindi ka makakabili. Or sometimes, nagiging cost yan para maputol. At the end of the time, turn over na lang, wala ka pala the following documents, dalawa pala asawa mo, ibang asawa mo ang naisulat mo, hindi ka ma-turn over yung unit nyo. Klaro? Okay. Yung tawa-tawa, totoo yan, di ba? Ang nagbabayad yung isang asawa, yung pala, pag-turn over yung isang asawa pala ang dapat. O, di ba? Naka-register pala. Di ba? Okay, next. Okay, so ano na yung stage? Una, reserve. Second, down payment. Third, settlement of turnover balance. Kapag nakakakita kayo sa advertisement na nakasulat, 9,000 pesos per month. Hindi po 9,000 in 5 years, meron ka na sa Makati. Ibig sabihin no, 9,000, doon ka pa lang sa 20%. Diba? Sa advertisement, kasi at the end of the day, sasabihin nila, sabi ng kalente ko, 10,000 pesos per month, 5 years, may property na ako. Oo nga, down payment lang yun. Klaro? Ayun. Kaya minsan kasi, yung Facebook, yung social media, minsan may deception, kulang ang information. So you have to understand everything before you sign. Next is my loan balance. That's why we always have to get a good relationship with the bank. The reason why we also partner with PNB or other banks, kasi maganda, if you pay your monthly amortization through them, at the end of the term, after 5 years, kung maglo-loan ka na, meron ka na bank relation, nakikita na nila that you are really a good payer on this property, you can easily get a loan as well sa kanila. That's why it's very, rather than remit ka lang directly, open a bank account, remit your money on that account para nakikita ng banko that you are really paying a property. Actually, yung maganda pa nga sa ibang bank, no? Together with PNB, kapag ibibenta mo yung property mo later on, ikaw yung active investor, yung nagbabayad sell lang, you can even bring your money back to Europe. Kasi alam nila na binenta mo from PNB, dinala mo ulit sa Europe, nakita nila yung labas-pasok ng pera. Legit. Kasi di ba minsan problema natin paano ipasok pabalik yung pera? Okay, so those are the things na medyo importante. Bawal maingay. Bata lang yung pwede maingay. Okay? Joke lang. Okay, next. Okay, so first, pipili tayo ng unit. Di ba gano'n naman pag bumibili? After mo bumili, what's nice with Mega World or with other developers, sa Pilipinas lang, meron tayong tinatawag na mga terms of payments, which you have to check very well. Hindi yung 9,000 na magsimula, you also have to check the balances and how to do it and how to pay it, no? So you can choose the option. Sa Europe kasi, when you buy a property, yung bank nila ang nagde-decide on how much is the down payment, correct? Tama po? Kung nakakabili sa Europe, si bank ang nagde-decide on how much is the down payment. At with us, sa Philippines, yung developer, standard yun eh, 20% yung down. Diba? Yung equity is spread nila. Next is pay your reservation fee, then hihingan ka ng valid ID. Please take note that we check on the signature of the ID. We
Si
check
Mr.
on the
Bean man yan.
complete name. Kailangan
Si Mr. Bean.
nakapareho yan sa informations dito. Otherwise, there will be a problem kapag nag-deed of assignment ka or nag-transfer ka ng title mo. We also use this information. Okay, next is the reservation agreement. Buyer's information sheet. No? As I said, you have to fill this up legibly. Pag single ka. Pag complicated ka, leave it blank. Pero pag leave it blank ka, please take note, hindi ka pwede mag-bank loan. Because sa bank, bawal po maglagay. Kasi sa bank kasi na-check nila yung TIN number natin. Dati kasi, ang TIN, pwede ka pa magsinungaling ng single or married eh. Yung mga lalaki nakakapagsinungaling pa. Ngayon, pag register yung TIN number mo dati, sa Philippines kumuha ka, nakikita na ngayon sa online kung married ka. Plus the bank is asking for CENOMAR, Certificate of No Marriage. Kahit gawang recto, hindi na rin pwedeng tanggapin. Okay? Klaro? I'm just telling the fact because it's true. It's happening. I've been to this business and it's happening. Okay? Ngayon, sinasabi na namin may warning na. So, we have the other options para sa mga complicated. Next is the reservation agreement. This is where we put your terms of payment, yung pinili mo. Then, of course, dito pumapasok ang ating mga consulate offices. All the contract to buy and sell should be consularized. Bakit po? Kasi dito tayo pumirma, hindi naman sa Pilipinas. All the legal documents should be sent to our Philippine Embassy for consulate, consularized po to sign the document. On this document, nakasulat yung pinili mong property and everything. This is a very important document na ginagamit para makatitulo ka ng property. Magka-title ka. Without you doing this, hindi mo makukuha yung susi ng unit mo. Okay? Next is how do you pay? Remittances, bank transfer, or Revolut, I think you have here. And we brought here BC Remit. BC Remit is if you download the app, that's a, I think wala pa yata kayo, meron kayong mga remit fee. Alam na ba yung mga remit, whatever. Pero Revolut kasi kayo, di ba? So aside from Revolut, meron tayong remit fee. BC Remit is I think 65.10 ngayon ang exchange rate. Mas mataas lagi sila. 65 per euro sila. No? Okay. So may mga ganun sila. Mataas ngayon eh. 65, 20 ba? Or 65? Ngayon, yeah. So you just have
Taas
to
na
add
ngayon sa euro.
or checks through PNB. Lahat
Magkano
ng
mo ngayon?
PNB ni Mega World kahit foreigner.
Magkano?
Even if you're not Filipino,
65,
you can
ganun?
open a checking account. Only with PNB.
Bagsak na may kalabihan ng Pilipinas.
That you are our client, bubuksan nila kayo ng checking account. For non-Filipinos,
Ay, hindi.
checking account
Ganun ba?
is allowed only if you are a Filipino.
Hindi yung Saudi o hindi yung dito ang bagsak.
PNB.
Tayo ang mag-order. Ang sa Pilipinas ang bagsak.
And when you're ready for occupancy, ipat agad. Please listen now to avail this.
Bagsak ba? Ang
First,
Pilipinas?
Oh,
reserve kayo 25,000 pesos. just give us your valid ID or passport. Then, you will receive a welcome letter from the company wherein on that welcome letter, we will be asking you to print 6 copies of the contract to buy and sell. Then that contract to buy and sell should be sent to the consulate office for consularize. After you consularize, submit to the Philippines and then through DHL, sabi ng bahala, we provide the DHL account para libre lahat. Okay, everything is free for the DHL and everything. Sign all the documents. It will take roughly around 3 months. Lahat yan. Padala, balik, documents, balik. After that, turn over. You can get the keys, start your business. Pwede ka na magpa-Airbnb. Sa halaga 145,000 pesos lang, may Airbnb business ka na. 2-bedroom with balcony. I'll show you the pictures later. Ngayon, pag turn over, you don't have to go home. Unless gusto mo pong tirahan sa December, i-furnish mo, bahala
Maganda
ka.
yan, ano?
Or,
Maganda kung may
another
ano pa.
person, SPA, to receive your susi. And you can start. Okay, very in demand po ang Airbnb sa harap ng St. Rose. Google nyo na, ano ang pinakamalapit na condominium or flats sa harap ng St. Rose? Kung sa lahat na siya wala. Siya lang. Either pupunta ka sa may USD o pupunta ka sa Quezon Hub. Siya lang ang pinakamalapit, no? Anyway, there are taxes and fees. And good news, yung 2-bedroom namin inclusive na ang taxes and fees. Pero for all other developers, we add 5 to 8%. Tandaan niyo yan guys pag any other developers, kahit kami, pag tatanggap na kami kung kasali na. Kasi malaki yan, dyan nagkaka-problem yung mga bumibili. When they buy, pag turnover na, hinihingan kayo ng 5 to 8% of the total contract price. Lahat, kahit anong developer. May isa pa nga nagsisimula sa letter A, may additional 12% VAT. Kasi walang VAT yung unit nila, hindi nila nilalagay. Okay, so make sure, ask about other expenses. Kasi malaking bagay ang 5 to 8%. If it's 5 million, that's 250,000 pesos. Outright, sa kukunin yun pag biniglaan. Simple lang ang sasagutin ng ahente. Sir, kahit sa ka bumili, may taxes. Diba? Totoo naman, pinapasubo ka na. Correct? Lalo na kung may VAT, 12% pa, additional. Where will you get that? Pag immediately. May pera nga kayo, pero hindi nyo na-expect. Saan? Pupunta kayo sa emergency fund nyo, mawalan kayo ng pang-shopping. Joke lang. Next! Emergency fund kasi pang-shopping. Bank loan. Kailan po kayo magpa-bank loan kapag ready for occupancy na? Usually after 3 years pa or 2 years. Depende sa turnover. Pero kung ang bibili mo off-plan or pre-selling,
Pag mag-open na ako, may ATM na agad na binibigay.
Pero doon sa
process
binibenta namin ngayon
Mas
ang
papadala
promo
ng
namin
yata sa
Independence Day, which is also a timing for our 36th year anniversary.
Kumuha din si Francis para may
36th
bank.
year anniversary namin.
Kukuha sana ako eh.
So may promo kami
Kapal lang pipila
So
pa.
hindi ko laging ganito. Kaya kinabayan ko siya. So anyway,
Bigyan niyo ko
bank
naman.
loan. Sino ang nagbabank
Uuwi niyo
loan?
na lang.
Ang requirement lang, employment certificate, payslip, 3 to 6 months payslip, 3 to 6 months bank statement. Okay? And then, proof of billing. Pagka other banks, they don't ask it, pero most of them, they ask
Anong
for
result?
the
Alam ko pwede
marriage
iuwi.
contract.
Wow.
Pero, sabi niyo, sana hindi lang mag-asawa, no? Para wala ng complications. Next joke. So, in-house financing po sa mga complicated, sa hindi na-approve sa bank. All those people na maraming asawa, in-house financing lang po. Okay? We don't care. Basta magbayad ka. Klaro? Yan. Sabi ko sa inyo may solusyon. Or cash. Sino ang tama ng tao? Totoo yun. Dami ko kasi ganun eh. Problema lang, di ko sino pipirma no? Next. Lahat po ng property sa Philippines, meron po tayo deed of absolute sale, meaning forever. Ayan. ibenta. No? So at least forever sa'yo yung title. Ha? Legit, hindi siya lease, hindi siya
Sino
current
yun?
lang, hindi siya 50 years, wala siyang expiration.
Babae. Ano yun ano?
Okay, transferable, pwedeng ibenta.
Yung babae na, ano, na
Opo,
Lithuanian?
pero si Rob, si Mrs. May bayar kami ha, tatlo.
Ano ni ano yun? Ni
Hindi ko alam.
Next.
Tagapulan?
Okay, so si Megawell, kami po ito,
Embassy.
we are the biggest, one of the biggest developer in the Philippines, pioneered in building township development. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng township? But anyway, we have gathered more than 715 awards, and we are under this biggest
Ang tataas, ano?
Alliance Global Group Incorporated, one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines. And these are the other businesses of Megawell. We own Emperador. Emperador had a breakthrough in Europe when we acquired White and Mackay. And this White and Mackay is in Glasgow, UK. Atin po yan. Kung umiinom kayo ng alak, we are also the largest brandy manufacturer in the world. Atin po yan, Dalmore, Jura, White and Mackay, yan. Ito daw sikat to. Dalmore, ito yung mahalin mo. We own this. And of course, sa Spain, we own Fundador. Fundador is actually now owned by Emperador. Meron din po tayo diyang biggest vineyard in Europe located at Toledo, Spain. Salamat, walang sound. Okay, may sound dapat yan, pero okay lang, wala tayong sound. Hindi nakakonect yung sound. No? Paano kaya? Okay, mamaya ko pa naman kailangan. That's fine. So this is our vineyard. Okay, it is one of the... Ayaw pa na mag-sound. Sige, okay na yan. So, ito po siya. Okay? And of course, we also own this Resorts World Manila or Newport World Resort managed by Travelers International. Kaya tayo may mga 5-star hotels sa Philippines tsaka casino sa Philippines because of this Travelers International. And of course, McDonald's. Sino hindi nakakakilala kay McDonald's? Diba? If you want to franchise McDonald's in the Philippines, we are the master franchise holder of McDonald's. So yan pa rin siya. So hindi ka ba natakot mag-invest sa Megawell? Anuhin na ba naman ni Megawell ang katiting nating pera if they own that big money? And this is the very new division of Megawell. We are actually connecting Global City to Makati. It's a monorail project. Infracorp is also doing another project connecting Highland City, Pasig to MRT4. We're also doing this soon pa-connect sa mga airports. So, of course, Megawell Corporation is a leading developer with a builder of township development with the concept of live, work, play, learn, and shop community. The very first township development that we had is an old textile mill. Ito po, paano siya magawa? Huwag kayong, di ba may sinasabi, overpopulated daw, over na daw tayo sa mga condo units in Manila. Kita niyo yun? Hindi kami affected doon. Why? Because of the township concept. Kasi we don't depend tenants, we don't look for tenants outside our city. Kasi ito, katulad dito, 18.5 hectares. It's a well-planned community, may residential, may commercial. Wala siyang sound talaga.
Delikado man galing ka magpataas sa building. Brad, napatakot ako pag matataas na building.
Eh, sir, mataas na kami. 7th floor na kami.
Ako, takot ako eh. Dito, walang ano to kasi wala naman lindol dito eh.
Opo, wala.
Sa Pilipinas, ano eh. Yan
Paray pa na yung linggo.
Dapat pala matanong natin yan.
back. Ayan, ayan siya. 15.4 healthcare development. This is now
Uwi ka na? Ayan, spray mo. Ang sukulay mo pala.
Okay, so this is the military base. Malapit lang dito.
Isin nyo na lang mamaya,
Sa
ha?
airport, this
Kailangan
is
mo na ba?
actually a 50
Kailangan mo na?
development.
Isin ko
So
na
this
lang.
is the Venice of the Philippines. Last December po, yung pamasukan handog namin, lipat agad ka sa Venice of the Philippines, 200,000 lang. Lipat agad, 25,000
Tama po lang,
monthly.
Venice.
Ganon si Metro World ng
Maganda yung
regalo.
building na yan, Brad, no?
Pero the
Venice.
cost of government property, mataas yung balance, pero 4 years to pay yung
O may
Okay?
overlooking.
Nakakita ba? Yan. Kaya yung mga agenda naman, we're very happy. We're actually recruiting agents as well, no? So you can join us. So next is, I just want to show you Iloilo. This is how we transform. Para lang maintindihan nyo when we say how we transform the city. This is an old airport, Iloilo. Diba? If dadating ako dito, sasabihin ko, bili kayo, 2 million lang, studio unit in an old airport, Iloilo, papakitaan ko lang kayo ng picture, then sasabihin nyo, how will I believe that, etc., etc. Pero marami kong naniwala sa Iloilo. And now, those 2 million are already 9.8 million. Ito na po siya ngayon.
Good afternoon mga kaibigan. Ayan, success po ang event po natin sa Filipino community sa ganap po ng Independence Day ngayong June 21 po. Success po ang ating event mga kaibigan. Tapos na po mga kaibigan at kami po ay pauwi na, no? So, salamat po sa lahat at salamat po sa panunood, sa pag-subscribe po sa ating YouTube channel, Kuya Riz Vlogs. At thank you po sa pag-share, no? Na para sa ating mga video. Thank you sa pag-share at makita po ninyo, nakita po ninyo ang ating ang buhay po namin dito bilang OFW dito po sa bansang Lithuania. Ito po ay bilong ng Europe mga kaibigan. So salamat sa lahat mga kaibigan. God bless po. Ingatan po tayo lagi ng Panginoon at belated Happy Independence Day sa lahat. Bye-bye mga kaibigan.